I just want to remind everybody, love is the answer. Love is the answer. Love always overpowers hatred. We need to all stand in love, compassion, humbleness, meekness. You know what I'm saying? We need to try to be as loving as possible. Let love fill our lives. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be empty. You don't want to let your heart grow cold. You don't want to let your heart grow empty. You want to keep living in the love. Your life force is right here, yo. This is your life. Zion train is coming our way. I said Zion train is coming our way. People, get on board. You better get on board. I got to dang. Zion train is coming our way. Yeah. Quick little update, folks. This train doesn't look like it's in anytime soon. So, yeah, love is the answer. Zion train is coming our way. Remember, I remember.